She never asked to be a survivor. Life threw her into the fire, testing her in ways she never imagined. She faced challenges that could have broken her, dealt with pain she never deserved, and endured battles she didn't choose. But despite it all, she kept going. She didn't just survive, she rose above, stronger and more resilient than before. In the face of adversity, she found a strength she never knew she had. She's learned to embrace her scars as symbols of her journey, proof that she can overcome anything. Remember this, you didn't ask for the struggle, but you've shown that you're capable of handling whatever life throws at you. Keep pushing forward. You're a warrior, and your story is one of unshakable courage. If this hits home, drop a 100 in the comments or share it with the person on your mind. And don't forget to follow, because this page is for you.